Bye flowers! I hope you're having a beautiful day so far. Today's video is super exciting because it's the first time I actually finally tracked this down. It's the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. So if you'd like to watch me use it for the first time and hear my thoughts on it, then please stick around. So I did take it out of the packaging and this is what it looks like itself. It is like a pinkish, like a light pinkish nude color. Oh, and I did get this in the color 310 medium brown. And the spoolie is a bit interesting. I've never used a spoolie that looks like this. So it's kind of like a ball spoolie, if you will. And, you know, it doesn't seem too bad. I do have another little spoolie right here off to the side, just in case I really don't like that, but we'll see how it goes first. And then the other end is this right here, and it looks like you do get a pretty good amount of product. Let's see. Yeah, so that's a pretty good amount of product. So it's kind of like an arrow. I don't know if the camera really picks up the arrow shape of it. We'll see how this goes. So let's zoom you guys in real quick and we will give this a shot. Don't mind my compact. I totally thought that with the thicker little point here, it was going to be hard to get a precise brow application, but I think it's really working. I think we are done. You guys, this pencil is really, really good. I'm loving the way my brows look right now. So I am totally loving this. I think this is something, I'm looking for the cap, sorry. I think this is something I will totally continue to use and I highly recommend it. It's so, so good. And I feel like I didn't really use that much product, really. And I mean, definitely you can control the darkness by how hard you press. So if you want a little bit lighter, go in with a lighter hand. If you want, you know, your strokes to really show up, you know, go in with a little bit of a heavier hand. But this is so, so good. I'm pleasantly surprised, you guys. Final verdict, if you did not know already by now, I really, really like this product. Pleasantly surprised. I was kind of iffy, especially on the spoolie part. I didn't think I was gonna enjoy that too much, but I actually really, really like it. I didn't have to reach for my other spoolie, which I did have off to the side over here, just in case I needed it. And I totally didn't need it. This is something I will definitely continue to use. So if you guys were thinking of purchasing it, I highly recommend it. I'm really liking it. So yeah, guys, that's my thoughts. That's my thoughts. Those are my thoughts on this little pencil over here. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in a new video soon. Bye flowers, have a blessed day.